This exhaust is so loud. Like, oh my god, I am so like surprised. I'm just so surprised. Oh my god, why does it pop so much? Yeah, I really don't know how to start these videos off. So, exhaust is finally here. Let's get this installed. I got 3 hours to get this done. I think I got it. Oh! Wow. Hello? Great packing. Holy shit. Hello? Yes. I don't have the hanger removal tool. I just like to struggle, you know? Oh shit, this is gonna be hard. Oh shit. I'm desperate at this point. I'll try anything. I need to get this off. This actually worked. Well. Oh, got it. It's a little backstory. I used to have a Corolla that was straight piped in this neighborhood, and I got like 5 HOA complaints. So my dad really does not like me having an exhaust. But is that gonna stop me? That cold start is bassy. Holy shit. Oh, my dad's gonna be pissed if he hears that at all.